New details sit out in the officer-involved shooting out of Templeton that left a deputy injured and a suspect dead. We're going to get to KSBY News reporter Alexa Bertola, who is live in Templeton with the latest developments. Alexa?
Richard, that deputy is in stable condition tonight after undergoing surgery. Now, he was shot in the leg here at the cemetery by a suspect with a long rap sheet.
A slew of loaded weapons and ammo seized from inside this black Mustang belonging to officer-involved shooting suspect Christopher Straub of Templeton.
There was concern that he knew he was potentially going back to prison and did not want to, and had made statements that he intended to shoot it out with the police.
The sheriff's office says the 38-year-old convicted felon shot Deputy Ted Lenhop in the Templeton cemetery.
My backyard butts up to the cemetery. We saw the officer and, the other officers helping, and it was in seconds that, he was there and people were responding to him. But it was pretty heart-wrenching to see.
Straub took off on foot through a vineyard and back down to Theater Drive where his car stopped working. Law enforcement says he tried to enter the passenger side, but the door was locked.
An obvious attempt to retrieve more weapon and ammunition to continue shooting at our deputies.
The second shooting ended Straub's life. A search warrant at the suspect's Templeton home revealed gun manufacturing equipment and gun parts, according to Sheriff Ian Parkinson.
I'm mortified to know that someone like that was out on the streets.
Straub was wanted for felony evading a peace officer warrant out of Paso Robles. He also had a lengthy criminal history, being booked into California jails 28 times with 2 stints in state prison. He had been charged with a number of drugs and weapons charges, in addition to willful cruelty to a child with conditions to possibly cause great bodily injury or death. Also, conspiracy to commit residential burglary, grand theft, and elder abuse. Meantime, Deputy Lenhop began his career with the sheriff's office in 2008 as a correctional deputy. In 2015, he became a patrol deputy, with most recently being assigned to the North Station in Templeton.
I am so grateful for law enforcement and everything they do.
And the sheriff says that the suspect was part of a white supremacist gang out of San Luis Obispo. For now, live in Templeton, Alexa Bertola, KSBY News.
All right, Alexa, thank you.